That's right, Maria and Ed. And the judge was clearly surprised today when Brian Walsh said he would not take the stand. The question now, what will jurors make of that? And the fact that the defense rested immediately when it was their turn.
And what is your decision?
I will not testify.
Brian Walsh choosing not to take the stand in his own defense, despite his legal team saying just yesterday that he would. Walsh is accused of murdering his wife Anna nearly 3 years ago, then dismembering her body and dumping the remains, which still have not been found.
The defense is going to harp on that in their closing statement. How can you convict Brian Walsh of murder if you don't even know that a murder took place? Conversely, the government is going to say, this is a circumstantial case, sure, but this is as strong a circumstantial case as you can possibly develop between Google searches, shopping, and then the DNA evidence that's found.
The prosecution laid out gruesome evidence of the alleged acts, video of Walsh buying a hacksaw and cleaning supplies, and evidence of Google searches for how to dispose of a body. The defense, in the end, not subjecting Walsh to cross-examination.
Defense rests?
Defense rests.
But the defense did not call any witnesses, despite telling jurors in opening statements that they would hear evidence Walsh found Anna dead in bed from a sudden, unexplained death.
They'll be told, I assume, by the judge multiple times that Brian Walsh doesn't have to prove his innocence. But the fact that his lawyer said in an opening statement that he was going to, I think there'll probably be some expectation on the jurors' part. Where is the evidence?
Now, it'll be interesting tomorrow to see how the defense handles that in closing arguments. The prosecution likely to approach this as an open and shut case. We're live in Dedham tonight. I'm Mary Salina, WCVB News Center 5.
Mary, thank you for that. And when the closing arguments actually begin tomorrow morning, sometime in the morning tomorrow, you can watch them live over on Channel 5, and we will also be streaming them on our website. Online, you can also find our Sarah Conji's live updates from the courtroom. Just head to WCVB.com/Walsh, and right there you can also catch up on past moments from this trial.